Are you ready for some tips on how to make low sodium meals? The packages of prepared rice and noodles are really tasty. Easy, just put some water in them, stick them in the microwave, but they have a lot of sodium. This little bitty package, tiny one, of macaroni and cheese has 540 when you get it done. It might be tempting to leave those things in your pantry, but if you're a long-term sodium watcher, just might be too much temptation. Move that stuff out of there. It's just not worth the price of a package of noodles to end up in the hospital. I mark my spices with how much sodium's in them in my spice rack so that it's easy. Want to use them, I just go pick it up. 2 teaspoons of cumin has 4. It's written on there. I don't have to try to remember all that stuff. There are a couple of places that you can go on the internet to find really good stuff. Benson's Gourmet Seasonings. When you pull that site up, it'll have a telephone number. If you're having a hard time finding a particular spice, call the number and talk to Peggy. Tell her what your problem is. They might have something right there that's going to make it where you can make that special dish. Healthy Heart Market has 5 or 6 pages, depending on when you go, of 0 sodium or low sodium products. Barbecue sauces and such. Nice place to go and look. If you know what you're looking for, you can go on Amazon and put no salt, whatever it is that you're looking for, and sometimes they might have them. Baking soda has 1,200 milligrams per teaspoon. Healthy Heart Market, ordered, has 0. Baking powder has 520 per teaspoon. Healthy Heart Market, 0. Herb Ox bouillon, I get this at my grocery store or Walmart, has no sodium. Just as an example, ketchup has 160 for 1 tablespoon. Heinz, no salt added, has 5. It'll all help you to make very good low sodium meals.